Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is Making It Happen with Mary and I am Mary. Today's video, you guys, we're going to be talking about some sales that's coming up here for like the next week or so, really going into the weekend. And also, it's the second annual Member Appreciation Week at Bath & Body Works. It started yesterday. Your girl's a little late to the game, but your girl's been busy. She's been busy, damn it. So, okay, so far as regular sales, I think the 19th to the 21st, they are having some type of a wellness promotion, which to me, it doesn't look like the best deal in the world, y'all. I think I saw it was like 2 for $18 or something like that. I think I'm going to pass on that. These are just the regular sales that are going on. On the 21st, they're having a car fragrance refill sale. Our lovely little car fragrances. But I'm telling you, I only buy these during SAS. To me, and what do they charge normally for these suckers? Oh, it doesn't even say on here. $4.95. $4.95? Like, listen, if they would have a sale like they did way back in the day, I think they were like $1 each, and I'm talking these is some years ago, I would probably pick up a few in like fall scents or whatever. But as it stands, I do have a nice little collection over here. I got like, I don't know, I think I got maybe like 6 or 7. I only swap them out of my car once a month. Granted, it don't last that long for the scent. It's usually like a week or two, but it is what it is. Now, this weekend, the 22nd through the 25th, there is going to be some type of a 3-wick candle promotion. They're saying it's going to be like a $12.95 promotion, which if you have a coupon, let's take a look what that will be. Okay, if you have that 20% off coupon, it would take the candles down to $10.36 each, which is not bad. That's only a little bit more than what we would be seeing for like candle day prices. Because typical candle day prices have been like, what, like $9.95? Gone are the days of $7.95, $8.95. I'm really curious to see what's going to happen this coming candle day. Because I think if they raise those prices any more than that, $9.95, I don't think as many people are going to buy. I really don't. Would you? Would you still participate in Candle Day if they were more than $9.95 each? Let me know. Definitely let me know in the comments below. And also, during that candle promotion on the 24th, they are having an Everyday Luxuries sale, which I'm hearing is that luxury collection should hopefully be slamming and be available on the website. I don't know exactly if it's going to be for everything in the luxuries collection or if it's for minis. I'm hearing a lot of conflicting information, but I'm still excited about that because I do want to pick up some of the body creams or lotions if there's a good sale. I do definitely want to pick up a couple of those. Okay, now let's talk about this Member Appreciation Days, okay? This is the second time they've done it. They did it, I want to say it was it last year or was it like maybe end of last year, beginning this year? I can't remember 100%, but I do remember that during that time we did see some decent deals. So what they're doing now, I think it's the 19th through the 25th, they are giving us a 10 off of 30 coupon. It's an online code. I don't remember if there is a code. They are giving us that 10 off of 30. I'm not 100% positive it's a code. I think it is a code. It's a code. So unless you have the bar scan and you go in store, I'm not sure if you can double up with like different coupons you might have. Today we did see that lip promo of $3.95 a piece, which is okay, but I don't know. Speaking of lips, of course, I'm wearing my own today, Banger Beauty by Mary. I am wearing Pink Palm. It is still summer, baby. I'm almost out of this one for myself, so I might have to snatch one of the couple that's left. But Pink Palm is beautiful. She is gorgeous. The lighting in here doesn't even do it justice. And she smells like mango dragon fruit lemonade. I love this one. This has been a huge seller all summer. Now is the last chance to grab them because when they're gone, they gone, baby. They gone. So get over to Banger Beauty by Mary and get you some Pink Palm, baby. We have a lot of good stuff coming over at Banger Beauty here in the next coming weeks. So save some of that coin that you will be spending at Bath & Body Works and promote small business, baby. But anyway, let's get back into this. All right, on the 20th, I did hear there was also a candle promo on the 20th for Member Appreciation Days. The $12.95 price for that day too, which kind of seems odd to me. Why are you going to have it the 20th and then have it the weekend at the same time? Do you know what I mean? I just think that's kind of odd. Maybe I'm wrong. I am pre-recording this on Monday night, so you probably will see it Tuesday. So I don't know. And Tuesday's the 20th, so I don't know what that price is going to be just yet. I don't know. Now, on the 22nd, they're having a room spray sale for members app rewards. And also 3 times the points on any purchase. I think on the 22nd, the 23rd, and maybe the 24th, I think I heard. But 3 times the points. I mean, if you're going to buy them damn candles, do it then, baby. Do it then. Do it then. Because you can save money with that coupon code, plus get triple the points. Win-win. And on the 23rd, they are doing face grooming hair promotion. So the shampoo, the men's beard and face stuff, the women's face stuff, which, by the way, I don't recommend the women's face masks. I don't know if any of you guys remember those. It was not that long ago. It was those little refillable tubs that they had. The actual lotion was good, but the face masks caused your girl to break out something fierce. I'm talking, thank God for the power of makeup, because I'm able to wear some concealer and stuff, but like all in here and down here, all bad, all bad. So I don't really recommend that. But if maybe you don't have as sensitive skin as your girl does. I don't know. Yeah, so that is everything I'm hearing so far about these Member Appreciation Day deals, the sales for this week that are coming up. What do you guys think? I mean, I'm hoping this room spray sale for members is a good one, because I'm in desperate need of some good fall room sprays for my basement, and they have not had a good enough sale for me to justify spending my coin on that. So I'm hoping they will give us something good, and I'm hoping it's not an online-only code. You know what I mean? So, yeah. What do you guys think about the upcoming sales? Do you think they could be doing them better? I think they could absolutely do some of this stuff better, for sure. For starters, our app rewards, are those 3 times the points? It would be great if we could actually use our rewards on full-size mists again. Just saying. I mean, I'm just saying. Yeah. So yeah, anyway, let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to head over to Banger Beauty by Mary. Get you some pink palm before she's gone forever, baby. Gone forever. And yeah, we're at my favorite part. Ready? Like, comment, subscribe, and ding the bell so you're alerted every single time your girl uploads. And I will see you in the next one. All right, you guys. Bye-bye.